Hi guys, Lens here. If you have LG Stylo, one of these phones, I'm gonna show you how to fix the famous black screen with these phones. So what you want to do is that you actually want to hold on the volume down and the power button together. If the phone is on, you wanna keep holding until you see the LG logo. So guys, you wanna keep holding. If you feel the phone vibrate, just keep holding. If this does not work, then you know your phone have maybe a screen issue. So you want to keep holding until you see the logo. Right, so that's our LG Stylo 6 logo. Definitely, that's how we know our black screen is fixed. That's a common issue over a period of time. If you always have your phone on, you can have a black screen. It's very good to restart your phone probably once a week. Another thing you can try, you hold on the volume down and the power button and you plug in the charger. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful and that you were able to fix that common black screen issue. It's always good to give it a force restart to ensure that your screen is still good before considering a screen replacement. So I hope that this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.